Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a cake with egg basket shape. First, I will make a rainbow cake. I need purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. I will use circle cake cutter to get perfect round shape for each color. Then I start stacking them layer by layer. Perfect. Looks beautiful. Now I'll start making the basket to wrap around the cake. I need pink and blue for my basket. I will use small ruler to cut pink in strips. I will do the same for blue, but the length of the strip is a bit shorter. Next, I will line up the pink strip around the cake, like this. Then I will use blue to line them over the pink horizontally. Continue the work until the strips cover all the cake. Perfect. Looks good. Now I will make a twist cover the edge on the top of the cake. I also use blue and pink. I shape both color in big strips. Then I will twist them and make a circle, like this. Looks good. Now I will prepare some stars and small strips to decorate the eggs. Perfect. I will make 5 eggs in different colors: purple, pink, blue, yellow, and blue. I will decorate 5 different eggs in different styles. I will arrange them into the basket. Looks cute. Perfect. I just finished the cake. Thank you for watching. See you later.